Hey guys, hi to everyone on the video. So here we're going to talk about a career roadmap for becoming a Power Platform Techno-Functional Consultant. So here you can visualize your journey over this video, and I would like to explain you how you can start your journey in terms of getting your career towards the techno-functional consulting in Microsoft Dynamics CRM or be it Power Platform suite. So this Venn diagram here, it shows the logical relationship between the business analysis skills that you have to build and the technical knowledge based on the Power Platform or Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. So there is a thin layer between these two skill sets, and it's very much mandatory, or it's very much required that you need to have the very good balance between the business analysis skills and the Power Platform technical knowledge areas as well. Because business analysis skills will bring in many areas where you will have fundamental understanding about the business analysis requirements, engineering, stakeholder management, and other stuff. However, the technical knowledge towards the Power Platform will help you build that business analysis areas into the consulting part, where you can implement and transform the business requirements into the technical aspects or the technical requirements. So let's see how we can do upskilling in terms of parts for business analysis skills and the Power Platform technical skills or the technical knowledge as well. So here it explains the roadmap for part A, which is our business analysis skill set. So I have categorized the business analysis knowledge based on 3 different factors. So first would be the business analysis knowledge areas, where you have to gain your knowledge on these parameters, where you have to build your knowledge areas on the stakeholder management or requirements engineering or requirements elicitation. There has to be solution evaluation, strategy analysis, and RADD model, which is defined by IIBA Babuk version number 3. So you can get more details about the RADD model and these all parameters over here in that IIBA Babuk 4 version number 3. So surely I'll show you where you can download it and start upskilling on these areas. The second part would be the BA techniques that you should have with you for requirements prioritization. How do you prioritize the requirements that you get from your stakeholders, and also perform some solution evaluation by merging those areas with the financial analysis, perhaps by doing some cost benefit analysis or some other financial analysis. And while doing all this stuff, you need to have agile mindset, that you should have a fair knowledge on the Scrum methodologies, be it any of that, like agile framework, or be it the latest one, which is SAFE. So any of the concepts would work, but yeah, I believe you should have and build the agile mindset. Also, you need to do the process analysis. You need to understand what are the exact processes that currently the organization or your business is following, and at times maybe by using the business process management skill set, you need to re-engineer those processes and define the new processes for any business. In that instance, for example, if it would be some business for insurance segment, then how the insurance claim has been raised, and how, based on the insurance claim category, how it would process through step-by-step approach until the claim settles, or maybe the claim gets denied. So in that situation, you need to have a fair understanding and a strong knowledge areas on business process analysis and business process management. And there are some other 50 common business analysis technique which would be defined in the IIBA Babuk version 3. There are some BA perspective that you need to build. One of them is quite important, is business intelligence and the business architecture. So this would give you some crux of the ID mindset, where you have to analyze the data and get the insights from the data by doing or running some extract queries on the SQL server based on whatever data you have. Those insights would be something that your stakeholders, whatever you're dealing with, to get the business requirements from, if they have not spoken about it, maybe this data would help you to uncover the unspoken requirements or insights or the patterns in the data. So you need to have that perspective of business intelligence or data analysis in it. You can use any of the tool like Power BI or in Tableau or any other stuff. And you need to have backlog management, which is again part of the agile mindset. So it's very important that you need to have the agile mindset in this as well. And the last part that we have here is the information technology, which will help you to channelize your business analysis career after a few years into the IT segment. And in this space, we are taking it towards the Microsoft Dynamics CRM or Power Platform Consulting. So let's see what has there for Power Platform Consulting in part B. So in the previous note, we have spoken about the part A, that is the knowledge analysis, knowledge for the business analysis and the business analysis areas. That is a fundamental thing. And on top of that, what I want you guys to do when you are pursuing the career roadmap or a journey towards the role that is called Power Platform Techno-Functional Consultant, then this is where you have to have the basic idea about the business analysis, and then you have to merge that with the technical side of the Power Platform suite, which encompasses the services or the different tools that you can say in Power Platform ecosystem. That is, first one would be Microsoft Power Apps. So Power Apps are nothing but it's kind of shortcut in order to build your own apps without having enough coding language, and it provides you ability to build model-driven apps or the Canvas app for mobile version as well. And these applications can be built from the common data service, that is now it's called as Dataverse, and also it provides an ability to connect with thousands of different databases or the connectors with seamless integration. So that's where you can build your Power Apps in Microsoft Dynamics Power Platform Suite. And also you have ability to build your dashboards, reports, and get the insights or the data-driven decision based on the Power BI. So it is a part of business intelligence stream, where you might have heard in the industry there are business intelligence tools like Power BI or Tableau. So in the Power Platform Suite, Power BI comes as one of the powerful service in order to transform your data into a meaningful charts or the dashboards or the reports to make the decisions out of it. Here you can use the same Dataverse, which is the common data service for entire platform suite, and also you have the ability to connect with the external data sources to get your Power BI dashboard ready. So that dashboard finally you can implement or embed into the Microsoft Dynamics CRM, which we perhaps talk about in the next video. But yeah, in the Power Platform Suite, you need to gain knowledge on the Power BI as well. Moving to the next, there are some automation tools like Power Automate, and there are some AI powered tools like Power Virtual Agents as well. So what Power Virtual Agent is now called as Copilot, it does is basically it provides you an automated responses and ability to get assistance during your coding. So the Copilot is nothing but kind of AI engine that will help you to support you in any of your daily activities. Then we have Power Automate, which is automation task. So any of the repetitive tasks that your stakeholders or the business users are doing in their business, then those you can automate by using Power Automate. So you can write simple cloud flows or desktop flows based on some trigger point, and it will do the job for you. For example, if I want to explain you how the Power Automate works, so in case of let's say you own a cake shop and you want to see at the end of the day how many orders have been placed and what product and what was the price and some other details. So end of the day, Power Automate will run and compile all the orders in one Excel spreadsheet, and it will just send out an email as an attachment, or maybe the file would be exported and kept it at one of the file landing location, and then whosoever is the owner of that file will take it further to make his analysis and all. So that's how the Power Automate would work in order to help automate the manual tasks. And lastly, there is another service which Power Platform provides is Power Pages. So what is a Power Pages? Basically, it provides you an ability to build your own websites with the low-code to no-code abilities. So you don't need to have front-end technologies knowledge or coding knowledge like HTML, CSS, or any Angular JS or anything of those programming languages you don't need to have. But still, you can build your own website right from the scratch, and that would be end to end. For example, you can implement it with other services, like you can have a shopping cart, you can embed your order management service, and you can integrate with the payment gateways as well, customize your code as well. And that's where you can go and start your journey as techno-functional consultant if you bring knowledge areas on the business analysis part, which is part A, and the part B, which is the complete Power Platform suite that you have to learn and practice on. So let's see where you can get these knowledge areas. So first part, you can build your knowledge area on business analysis by going to the iiba.org, which is the website I recommend. But there is nothing as a promotional aspect over here. But this website is very much knowledgeful for the BA aspirants like me or any other people who are pursuing their career in the business analysis area. And once you log in over here, you can just go to the career resources over here and click on the IIBA bookstore. So over here, you can find the different books or the knowledge areas that has been published by IIBA. You can purchase it, you can learn more, view those as a preview, and then you make a decision. However, I would suggest, or I would be in position to urge you or recommend you that you can start your journey with the IIBA PABOK version 4, which are the same practices that we spoke in the previous slide, and all the knowledge areas will be covered over here from the IIBA PABOK, and or the BA book, whatever you want to call, you can call it. You can simply click over here to get the PDF version for IIBA PABOK version, and you can start purchasing it based on your country or region. So that's where you can get the first version of the PDF. You can log in as a member, and then you can start getting the PABOK version 3 PDF downloaded. Also about the second part that we spoke, to gain the knowledge areas on the Power Platform. So how do you build your knowledge areas on the Power Platform? It's basically simply go to the other website, which is learn.microsoft.com/training Power Platform. So here is the entire roadmap for you to gain the knowledge areas on the Microsoft Dynamics Power Platform, or the Power Platform services. That includes everything, not just the Microsoft Dynamics CRM, but everything towards Power Apps, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent, Copilot, and Power Pages as well. So you can start your journey over here, and you can get some overview and go through the step-by-step guided knowledge areas for all of the modules and things that we spoke in previous video. Well, so that's all for the getting your journey as towards Power Platform Techno-Functional Consultant. And it seems easy, but trust me, it's not that easy to cultivate the knowledge base on these areas as part A and part B. But I believe this is the best way or a method to explain you that how you can start your journey or transform your career to become a techno-functional consultant in Power Platform. So this was the easiest way where I could distribute the areas of knowledge gaining for part A for business analysis and Microsoft Dynamics Power Platform as another part B. Hope you found this video very informative, and yeah, stay tuned and connect with me if you have any more questions. Thank you.